Hi everyone, Jennifer Maker here. It's time for a Cricut Design Space lesson. Let's learn how to upload a project, change its colors, and choose the right materials and cut settings. We'll use my fun and easy string art project to do this. Let's get started. Step 1, get my free string art design files. Go to jennifermaker.com/472 and look for libraries in the red bar at the top. Then either click Get a Password if you don't yet have one, or click Enter the library. You can find the designs on the page by searching for number 472 and then click it to download the zip file. The download folder has several files, including SVG files. Each file contains 2 designs and an optional stand. To begin, upload one of the SVG files to Cricut Design Space. If you're not sure how to do this, go to jennifermaker.com/svgs to learn how to unzip and upload files. Step 2, prepare your string art design files. This is what my string art SVG files look like on my canvas. You can zoom out to see all of the design by clicking on the minus sign on the lower left. There's a heart and a flower and the optional stand, and we will cut all 3. I'm making my heart design in dark red cardstock and my flower design in yellow cardstock. You can choose whatever colors you like and change the necessary layers using the color box at the top. To do that, select the design, click on the color box, and choose your desired color. Super easy, right? The paper stand is great if you want to display your finished creation. I've already added small cuts to both layers to create a score line, so this is all ready to go. And that's it. The design is ready to cut. Step 3, cut your design. Make sure you have the right machine selected and click Make It. If you're prompted, click on Mat 12 by 12 inches and confirm. If you're using the same cardstock as I am, make sure the material size is 12 by 12 inches for everything. If you're using a different size, choose that size in the drop-down menu instead. And then click back on the first mat and click Continue. On the Make screen, I use the medium cardstock setting for all of my mats. If it's not in your favorites, click Browse All Materials and type medium cardstock in the search bar. Then click on it and hit Done. Change the pressure to more for a cleaner cut. Also, remember to check the box next to Remember Material Settings, since we'll use the same settings for each mat. My layers cut best on a green standard grip machine mat. Place your cardstock on the mat and use a brayer to make sure it's fully adhered. Check that your fine point blade is clean and in clamp B. Then load the mat into the machine and press the flashing button to begin cutting. When the cut is finished, unload the mat, flip it over, and roll it back to release the cardstock. This helps prevent the material from curling and ripping. The front and backs of the cardstock are the same, so choose a side that looks the best to you. Now take your weeding tool and poke out any of the holes that did not come out all the way. Make sure no stray cutouts are on either piece. Repeat these steps until all the layers are cut. All right, now everything is cut and you're ready to assemble and do your string art if you want. For the string art directions, just go to jennifermaker.com/472. I have a full assembly video for you to follow. If you have any questions, please just leave your question right below this video or come ask in our Cricut Crafters group at jennifermaker.com/cricketcrafters. Until next time, this is Jennifer Maker reminding you to craft a life you love.